Welcome back friends, and today in this presentation we are going to solve an example on arithmetic progressions. So here we have two examples. Let us go with the first example. Given that if L is equal to 8, N is equal to 8 and S8 is equal to minus 20, then we have to find the common difference. So we know the formula that sum of n terms is given by n by 2 into a plus L. So here Sn is nothing but S8 and its value is given as minus 20. So let us write over here minus 20 is equal to n is here 8 divided by 2 into a plus 8. Now here by simplifying we get 2 1 time is 2 and 2 4 times is 8. And this would come as minus 20 is equal to 4 into a plus 8. And now let us simplify this. So we get here 4 1 time is 4 and 4 5 times is 20. So this would come as a plus 8 is equal to minus 5. Now let us transfer plus 8 to the other side. We get here a is equal to minus 5 minus 8. So therefore we get the value of a as minus 13. And now let us find the value of d, which is nothing but a common difference. So in order to find the value of d, we already know the formula of sum of n terms, which is given by n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here the value of sum of 8 terms is given as minus 20. So let us write over here minus 20 is equal to n by 2 would come as here 8 divided by 2 into minus 13 plus n minus 1 is nothing but here 8 minus 1 into d. So this would come as minus 20 is equal to 4 into, and here 2 into minus 13 would come as minus 26 plus 8 minus 1 would be here 7d. Now on simplifying again we get 4 1 time is 4 and 4 5 times is 20. So in the next step this would come as minus 5 is equal to minus 26 plus 7d. Now let us transfer minus 26 to the other side. So we get here 7d is equal to 26 minus 5. So this would come as 7d is equal to 26 minus 5 is here 21. Now by simplifying we get 7 1 time is 7 and 7 3 times is 21. So therefore we get the value of d as 3. Now moving on to the next example here, given that the value of a is 17 divided by 2 and the common difference is given as 3 divided by 2 and n is here 64, then we have to find the sum of 64 terms. So by using the formula Sn is equal to n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, we can solve this example. Here n value is given as 64, so let us write over here 64 divided by 2 into 17 divided by 2 plus 64 minus 1 into d, which is nothing but 3 divided by 2. So that implies on simplifying we get here 2 1 time is 2 and 2 32 times is 64. So we get here 32 into, and here we can cancel our 2 and 2, so we get here 17 plus 63 into 3 divided by 2. And again this would come as 32 into 17 plus, and by multiplying 63 and 3 we get 189 divided by 2. So again we can write this as 32 into, let us take 2 as the LCM, so we get here numerator terms as 34 plus 189 divided by 2. Now on simplifying we get 2 1 time is 2 and 2 16 times is 32. So we get here 16 into 34 plus 189 would come as here 223. On multiplying we get the value as 3568, which is nothing but the value of sum of 64th term. So this is how we solve an example on arithmetic progressions. Refer to more videos on our channel Voodish Academy. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.